Nifty is running near its all-time high, but is your portfolio running in loss? If yes, then watch this video. Many people's portfolios are running at 20 to 30% losses, but when you look at the market, it is near an all-time high. First, let's understand what is actually happening in the market. Out of roughly 5,200 companies in the market, around 2,600 companies, meaning almost half of the companies in India, have fallen 50% or more from their all-time high. Then why hasn't Nifty fallen? Because Nifty 50 represents only the top 50 companies, and if you are holding large cap stocks, then you should compare your portfolio with Nifty 50. If your portfolio contains mid cap or small cap stocks, you should not compare it with Nifty. Instead, you should look at the market breadth. Now let us look at cap wise indices and identify where the problem is. This is the Nifty 50 index. This is at an all time high. This is the Nifty mid cap index, and this is also actually at an all time high. So where is the problem? This is the small cap index. If you look here, the market has fallen from the all time high, and this is the Nifty micro cap index. This index is also bleeding heavily. So if you have invested in small cap and micro cap stock, this might be the reason why your portfolio is bleeding heavily. So what is the solution? Invest your capital across all three caps, which is large, mid cap and small cap. But remember to allocate more towards the large and mid cap and smaller percentage in the small cap. Avoid micro caps completely because the risk is very high. And in the next video, we'll see how to easily manage them through ETFs. And if you want to know that, follow this page.
If you want to avail free algo tools, please visit bluechipalgos.com.